Hello and welcome to my new blog on Facebook. What am I on about? Facebook. I'm kidding. Welcome to my new blog on YouTube. As you know, I'm River G. Thompson. If you don't know me, of course you know me. If you don't know me, get lost. I'm kidding. And now, I know I haven't done this for a while because I've been busy with other problems. So I'm just gonna get straight to the point and get straight to my blog. And hopefully I'll get back on to you guys. So, shout out today go to Daniel Sweet, George Thompson, Hanny Blackwell, Jack Gregory, Jade Morton, Jamie Lee Jones, Jordan Timshaw, Kyle Duke, Lee J, Lewis Mason, Lee Pickering, Clark McKinley, is that? Clark McKenzie? I don't know. Justin Young, Lucy, Rudy Towles, and 4 others. Maya Reeves, Luke Pickering, and Jordan Taylor. So that's 3 others, isn't it? So yeah, I'm Richard Thompson, and if you don't know who I am, look me up on Facebook. It's www.facebook.com/officialriverthamps, and the Thamps is in official as normal river, and then Thamps is in SAMPZZ. So yeah, so this is my new blog for today. I'm not gonna blab on with myself because I've only just started doing video blogs on YouTube. So if you need me, you know where I am now. So I'm Richard Thompson. You're my Thompson, and I'll see you soon. Keep hoping, people.